No sign of the Santa rally just yet. Markets have a lot to worry about, like Omicron, inflation and China. Now, after months of speculation over whether China's biggest property developer Evergrande would collapse or not, markets now have their answer. It failed to come good on repayments this week. It's no Lehman moment, but the lack of a Beijing bailout is shaking confidence. Markets around the region finished in the red. The gloom rubbed off on the ASX. Fortescue lost its CEO today amid its push toward hydrogen. Santos and Oil Search finalised their merger while the banks fell. Now back to China. Beijing has got bigger issues on its hands than a property developer going bust. The economy is slowing. As you can see here, appetite for borrowing has wilted, as has economic growth by Chinese standards. To arrest this, Beijing has just moved to cut borrowing costs, and it's likely that China's central bank has more help coming, while other central banks are going the other way. As we've been talking about for a while here, inflation is heating up everywhere. Tonight, this US data will be updated. It's expected to rise from 6.2 to 6.8%. That's inflation at a 40-year high, piling pressure on the Fed to do something when it meets next week. Expect a choppy week because the UK and European central banks also meet amid pressure to lift rates. And while we fret about the future of rate hikes, spare a thought for emerging economies. Brazil hiked rates by 125 basis points to 9.25% last night, and the Czech bank has raised 5 times in the last 3 weeks. So things can always be worse. That's finance.